going to show you how I customized this apron. My nephew is pretty into cooking right now. He even made me this monarch caterpillar cake for my birthday, which was adorable. My sister told me that he was actually asking for something to help keep his clothes clean while he cooked, so I figured I'd make him a custom apron for Christmas. I ordered this one off of Amazon and got this super cool Star Wars fabric for the pockets. I knew he would love this print because he's really into blueprints and things, and it had the AT-ATs on it, which was important because he actually made one as a Halloween costume one year. Jojo was Yoda. Yeah, my nephew made that. How cool is that? I took a few measurements of the original pockets, add about 1/4 inch to each side for your seam allowance, and then began the tedious process of removing them with my seam ripper. I cut the fabric to size, making sure the AT-ATs were at the top, and then cut a strip of plain navy fabric the same size. I put those pieces right sides together and stitched along the top and the bottom of the long sides to create a tube. Flip the fabric right side out and press. Top stitch along the top edge with an 1/8 inch seam allowance. Put that on top of the apron where the old pockets used to be and clip in place. Make sure the binding is covering the front and back evenly, and that the apron and the new pocket is sandwiched inside. Top stitch with coordinating thread down one side, along the bottom, and up the other side, making sure to catch the binding in the stitches. To go around the corners, make sure you keep the needle down, raise your presser foot and pivot the fabric, then lower your presser foot and continue sewing. Want to guess my least favorite Star Wars character? I'll just tell you because it's probably yours too. Jar Jar Binks. I cannot make it through any of the movies with that thing in it. If anyone wants to tell me in the comments what happens, I'd greatly appreciate it. This gives you one big pocket. I wanted to split this up into 3 pockets, so I marked 2 even lines with chalk and sewed a straight stitch along the marks. Make sure you forward and back stitch to lock those stitches in. And that's all there is to it. Pretty easy custom project that you can finish in one sitting. Now I'm just patiently waiting for some more yummy snacks from my nephew.